Hello everyone, it's Monty, the Polka Dot Pinecone. So I'm back to show you the room tour of my new craft room since we moved and bought a new house. So I'm standing outside the door and this is a quick tour of it. I think I'll probably just give a tour of the room. Probably won't go into a whole bunch of drawers or anything like that unless you guys let me know that you want me to. Anyway, this is a lot smaller room than I had before, but it's a lot prettier. It's upstairs and it's just a lot prettier. So anyway, come in, I'll close the door. Okay, so rack here behind the door, I've cleared that off, but they used to be usually covered with cards and stuff that I'm making, but since I moved I cleared it all off and haven't started hanging things back up there again yet. But it's real handy to just clip things on that paper, those clothespins. And then over here is, in this corner is a closet. And in here is just kind of my least used stuff. So cubes that I couldn't fit out in the room I stuck in there, so I have a few of those in there. Like I say, my least used items. That's where I keep my basket of scraps. I have a few storage bins here from IKEA, and then back here on this side, let me pull these doors closed, is another stack of them with paper and that kind of stuff down there. Okay, and then out here I got a roller stand. It's got a 3-drawer little stand here, and then I got a little bin on top of that, and then another little 3-drawer little plastic thing for kind of odds and ends. And then my TV is here on top of my, I don't remember what they call this one, but it's the tall drawers from IKEA. Love them. Just got done kind of redoing everything inside of most of my drawers and tubs and labeling them. So it's looking a lot nicer. There's 2 of the shorter drawers from IKEA, and then the tabletop I made across it. And then I got another cube underneath there. Kind of extra one because there's a little bit more space into there. I made use of just about every space that I could. Just got these cute little chairs, really comfy, from IKEA. And then underneath there's another cube back underneath there. And then on the bottom here, there's more. There's another one of those short but narrow IKEA drawers, and then the big wider one in the middle, and then another thin one on the end, and then of course another tabletop. That pink metal shelf I got at IKEA also. I just love the color of it because I was doing my room in pink and white. And then there's a new picture I got, and then I've got my my old Cricut right there, and then I got my Big Shot Plus, and then I got the Gemini Junior electric die cut machine. Another one of these things that I hang my stuff on. I'm just starting to hang some more new stuff on it. And then in this corner I put some of my old shelves that I had. The cubes that were in the closet, and like these corner shelves right here were from an old store that went out of business. It was called Roberts. It was a craft store here, and it was in Utah and Idaho and stuff, but they've closed now. But anyway, that's where I purchased all of my first items, with all the cubes with the drawers and shelves and stuff, before I switched to buying stuff from IKEA. There's a hanging thing. I keep like some tulle and faux leather and stuff in it, some ribbon holders behind it. This is a cute little shelf that was brown. I repainted it white, and then I decoupaged the drawers, and then I bought some new handles and put on it. So I think it turned out pretty cute. Just kind of like for all my Nuvo drops and glitter and liquid pearls and all that kind of stuff. It's a cute little lamp that I got at IKEA. This is my desk where I work right here. I closed the window so hopefully it wouldn't be so much glare on the film. A cute new little Heidi Swap little letter board that I just bought. Thought that was so cute, so I got that there. And then it's back over here. That's just a little drawer I keep like my markers and stuff in it. That's kind of like my most used tools right there. And then my markers. Cute little lamp that I got. And then up here, got some lights along the edge just to make it look pretty. And then down underneath the TV, there's my Cricut Maker. Okay. And then, so then back behind me on the other side of the room when you first come in, this whole thing is pretty much floor to ceiling, all mostly IKEA shelves and the cube shelves and that kind of stuff. So I got a whole stack over there in the corner. Those are actually old, except for the top one. Those are actually old ones from that I first purchased. So those are all kind of stacked together because they're all the same size. And then over here I got all the IKEA ones. I bought the pink shelves, and then I bought the white inserts for them. So you can see it goes almost all the way up the ceiling. And then down here, this is I haven't seen these for a while. This cute little shelving unit from IKEA. Both those doors open up, and there's like 3 shelves on each side. It makes a real handy area for working, like a work area on top of it, but I didn't have enough room to do that, so I just stacked more my old cubes there, and then some pretty, like hat box type things that I got at Michael's, I think. And some old cubes there, and then another one of the pink IKEA 4 shelf things, and then some of the inserts for the white. Got this new thing at IKEA a couple weeks ago. It's like a basket that hangs down from the other shelf. Not super impressed because it kind of takes up a lot of room, and then kind of prevents you from storing a lot underneath it. You can't get up very high, so probably won't get any more of those. And then next to this one, we've got a 8-place pink shelf from IKEA there, and then on top of it a 4-piece, so all the way up to the ceiling. And then we're back to the door. But I've got everything pretty much separated and more organized now. I've went and bought a bunch of little trays from the dollar store, different ones from like Michael's. Some of those pink little tubs from Michael's I have used, like up here in the corner. The little pink ones I've gotten from Michael's to store stuff in. These kind of big ones, these 3 big ones here on these shelves, I actually got those at Ross, I believe. I found those, so store some things in that. And then all my drawers I've gotten to where I've got them pretty much separated, so I got things separated and organized. Before I had everything in like the packages and everything still, so it was kind of a mess, and it was really hard to, every time I'd open up a drawer, things would get stuck and that, because they were all in the packaging, and just was kind of a mess. I've got just about all of them done now. This one I haven't done yet, so it's kind of just stuff just laying there. And this one down here with paper clips and stuff. So this is how they all used to be, other than most of the other drawers were like super full, so you couldn't even hardly open them or close them. So I thinned out some things, and Used, like I say, bins and tubs to make them all nice and neat now. I can find stuff real easy. It's more separated. I mean, even like tags and stuff, I have little dividers. So things are a lot more easy to see and find. Or some of the pink ones from Michaels. So anyway, it's worked out a lot better. I got a couple more to do. I'll get them finished. But anyway, that's kind of a quick tour of my new craft room. I love it. I love the colors. Like I said, it's a lot smaller than the craft room that I had before, but this is a lot prettier. I like it. So, and it's working. It's kind of made me thin down some stuff, and I have to store some of my other craft supplies that I used to do before. I store them elsewhere. I used to have everything all in one place, and now they're kind of just stored someplace else, so I have enough room for all of my current things that I'm crafting with. So anyway, let me know what you guys think. Give me a thumbs up if you like this video. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel and Instagram, both places. I'm the Polka Dot Pinecone. Visit me on my website. It's thepolkadotpinecone.com. Let me know if you guys want to see like more in depth of how I've separated things and organized things, and I'll be happy to do that. Hope you guys like this tour, and I will see you guys next time. Bye.